Okay, folks, Chapter 8 review. You know, we got a lot of terms that are going to be mentioned during this, okay? So, the first thing, it says that lines M and N are parallel. That means that these lines are never going to intersect, okay? That's what the first line said. Good. Done with that. We know what parallel means. 6 and 7 are adjacent angles. What does that mean? What does adjacent mean? Will?
They're opposite.
No, they are
Oh, they're
not.
next to each other.
They are next to each other. Okay? Adjacent angles means they are right next to each other. They share, in fact, a side. That's angle 7, and that's angle 6, and this is the side they share. Okay? All right, so that, they told us that those two are adjacent angles. They're right next to each other. 2 and 4 are vertical angles. Okay, here's 2 and here's 4. What does that mean, Carson?
Means they're across from
They're across from each other. Can you give me another pair, Carson?
3 and 1.
3 and 1 are also vertical. Perfect. What do I know about the measures of vertical angles? What do I know about that, Hayes? No. No. What do I know about the measures of vertical angles? This one, this angle, and this angle. Aye. And this one. What do I know about the measures, Anson? They're identical. They are equal to each other. Exactly. Okay? Angle 5 and angle 6 are complements. What does that mean, Cara? Their measures add to 90 degrees. Complements always add up to 90 degrees. Do complements have to be adjacent in order to be complements, Carter? No. They can be on different pages in completely different pictures and diagrams. If their measures add up to 90, then they're complements of each other.
Whenever you say that angle, you just look for the letters that make up the, like 5 and 9.
5 and 9? What if
The 5 and 10, sorry.
5 and 10 are not complements? They add up to more than 90 degrees.
Oh,
It'd be like-
sorry, never mind, sorry.
It'd be like 9 and 8.
Those would be,
9 and 8 are complements. They make up 90 degrees. Okay?
so what would 5 and 10?
Now, I don't know. I don't know what the... Well, I'm going to find out in just a moment. 5 and 6 are complements. They told us that the measure of angle 5 is 35 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to write that in there. Angle 3 and 4, this one and this one, are supplements. What does that mean, Claire?
They add up to 180.
They add up to 180. Okay? And let's see, so that means that, and Claire just said that angle 3 and angle 4 add up to 180. Excellent. Now, given all of that information, Lily K, I need you to tell me what angle 3 is. Helena, I need you to tell me what angle 7 is. Ian, I need you to tell me what angle 8 is, what the measure of angle 8 is. And Annabelle, please tell me what the measure of angle 9 is. All right. Lily, what's the measure of angle 3? It's right here.
35 degrees?
Is it 35 degrees? Tell me why.
Well, because angle 5 is 35 degrees.
Yes, angle 5 is 35 degrees.
Which is looks identical to
It looks identical?
what is
It is? I think that this one's 34 degrees. Can you prove me wrong?
that's one
Okay. But we know since 5 and 1 are corresponding angles, that means that this is also 35 degrees. They're in the same position, so they are corresponding angles. So they have the same measure. So what do I know then about 1 and 3, Lily?
all 35.
Okay, so 3 is also 35 degrees, but why?
Because 1 and 3 are the same because 1